Hello, my name is Lexis Caputo. Today's date is November 6, 2018, and today I will be discussing dilutions and viable plate counts for Bio 225. So both lab experiments this week require TSA agar. So in order to do that, I'm first going to prep for both assignments, in which I need a pot. The water has to be approximately 1 milliliter over each tube, and then I already gently loosened each top so that heat can escape, and this will be about an hour process for the water to boil and melt the agar evenly. So the agar has melted completely, and they're now in the plates with the lid slightly off to allow heat to escape as they cool and solidified, ready to be used for experiments. So the purpose of this experiment is to observe colony forming units with diluted solutions. So here are my agar plates of 6 solutions, in which the test tubes were in here, in which each from 1 to 2 to 2 to 3 to 3 to 4 to 4 to 5 to 5 to 6 were all diluted solutions of the first. And so they were mixed with yeast and distilled water, in which 0.125 drops of each solution were added to each plate and then swirled. And so now it's going to sit for 12 hours, and then each plate will be inverted after that to observe the colonies that form. So this is the result of the dilutions and viable plate counts. I actually, when checked it in the 48 hours, which was the allotted incubation time, there was no growth at all. And so I let it sit for 12 more hours, which makes it 60 total. And honestly, the only one that even shows growth is number 1, where the rest don't show anything really. And I did the approximate 4 drops of the solution per plate. However, I still didn't get the results that were expected. And I periodically checked the temperature of the incubation site, which was always the optimal range between 21 and 25 degrees Celsius. However, I still just didn't get the results. I think this is possibly because the yeast fermentation never looked like it did in the picture. It never really showed froth. It kind of just was diluted. I let it sit for 10 minutes, and I actually redid it twice, and it still never produced what the expected results were to start with. So maybe that's why the outcome didn't occur as it did. So all of the plates were too few to count, as only number 1 produced 15, which still is not between 30 and 300.